It's a jungle out there. So tame it with the Loftness US Attachments Timber Axe. The Timber Axe uses a unique reverse rotation rotor that requires less power and is more efficient than other designs. Loftness US Attachments Timber Axe directs material down towards the ground for uniform distribution of mulched material. The Timber Axe is the latest advancement in heavy-duty shredders from Loftness US Attachments. It's a revolutionary skid-steer-mounted brush and tree shredder for the serious professional operator who needs to get land-clearing jobs done fast. The Timber Axe uses rigid-mounted, precision-sharpened blades that require less horsepower than blunt carbide cutters or swinging hammers that can deflect back, greatly reducing their cutting ability. This allows the Timber Axe to cut and mulch larger brush and trees than any other skid-steer mounted machine. The Timber Axe's reverse rotation rotor lifts material off the ground, thereby reducing horsepower requirements and knife wear. The material feeds between the blades and the adjustable shear bar to completely process it, producing consistent particle size in one pass. Competitive models must run knives against the ground in an attempt to recut down material. The Timber Axe blasts through brush and tall grass with ease. No more need to carry a chainsaw when clearing land. The Timber Axe will knock down and mulch trees 6 inches in diameter in just minutes. It leaves a cleaner job site by mowing grass and weeds and mulching brush finer than conventional rotary shredders. The Timber Axe is great for clearing trees from under utility lines. And it powers through brush to open roads in woodlots. When weeds, trees, and brush encroach on trails, the Timber Axe will widen the paths to keep them safe. Use the Timber Axe to keep clear visibility along railroad tracks and highway right-of-ways. It attaches with the universal skid steer mount for fast hookups. The Timber Axe can be configured to work with all skid steer auxiliary hydraulic systems with a minimum of 38 hydraulic horsepower. No need to remove the Timber Axe knives for sharpening. They can be sharpened in place. If a knife becomes damaged, it can easily be replaced on the machine with standard tools on location. The Timber Axe is the most powerful brush and tree shredder available for skid steer loaders. See the Timber Axe at your local Loftness US Attachments dealer. Loftness US Attachments Timber Axe, clearing jungles around the world and in your backyard. Also available from Loftness US Attachments. Loftness US Attachments flail mowers in 48, 60, 72, and 90-inch sizes for tractor or skid steer mount applications. The Carbide Cutter G2, an aggressive machine that will quickly reduce brush and trees to ground level, as well as mulching into the soil surface the finest particle size without sharpening knives. The Timber Axe Extreme mounts on 3-point hitch PTO drive reverse platform tractors. Watch for hydraulic extreme cutters for a variety of prime movers and excavators up to 300 horsepower. All available with either the Timber Axe sharpened blades or replaceable carbide cutters. Loftness US Attachments Quick Pick mounts on a skid steer loader. It picks up rocks and debris from 2 inches to 2 feet in diameter. Loftness U.S. attachment crop shredders have set industry standards with outstanding performance and options to fit any operation. New for this year are totally redesigned windrower models that function as conventional crop shredders or as crop shredder windrowers. Loftness U.S. attachment snowblowers are the forerunners of this company. Dozens of tractor and skid steer mount units are available, ranging from single auger light duty all the way up to 3-auger industrial duty. For more information, call Loftness U.S. Attachments at 1-800-828-7624 or 1-320-848-6266 and visit our website at www.loftness.com.